Now there's more to do. Look inside this. Look at the lorry. What are you going to do with this one, Lordy?
Might have to hold back a little bit.
No might about it.
Okay, how are we going to deal with this with the lorry, do you think?
I haven't got a clue, Laura.
Okay, we're going to hold back a little bit, let the lorry through.
Because remember we said when there's not
There's
enough
not enough
space,
space.
we'll wait. Is he going through?
Yeah.
Stop now. Perfect. And if we've got to wait for a set of lights, we've got to wait for a set of lights. Do you understand?
Yeah.
There's no way in the world that we could have fitted in there with that lorry.
Okay. That's good timing.
It was good timing.